Hi, to enable and disable Quick Share on Samsung Galaxy S25, go in Phone Settings. From here, you need to find Connected Devices tab. And now the first thing you can see is Quick Share. Tap it, and you would be able to turn it on and off. For that, find the section Who Can Share with You. Tap it. And if you want to disable Quick Share, then choose No One. If you want to enable it, then tap either Contacts Only or Everyone, and you can add for 10 minutes. And then tap Done. Another way how you can turn it on or off is by swiping down from upper right corner to trigger Quick Settings, and then swipe again and find this feature. When it's white, then it is turned on. To turn off, just tap No One, and now no one would be able to share with you some files such as photos, videos, and so on. And that's all for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like, and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.